Chrysanthemums, or mums, are a classic choice for fall decorations, offering vibrant colors that make them perfect for the season. Today, Southern Gardening is visiting Buds and Blooms Nursery in Wesson, Mississippi, admiring some of their beautiful mums. With a wide variety of colors, including vibrant yellow, deep orange, rich red, soft purple, and crisp white, mixing different hues of mums can create a stunning autumn display that captures the essence of the season. The rich palette of mums allows you to create eye-catching arrangements that can brighten up any space. Pairing mums with other fall decor elements like pumpkins, gourds, and hay bales can provide a cohesive look that celebrates the harvest season. For an even more dynamic effect, grouping multiple pots of different colors and heights can enhance visual interest and create depth. To create textured displays, consider pairing mums with ornamental grasses, which add movement and softness. Maintaining your mums is straightforward. Keep the soil consistently moist, especially in containers, as they prefer well-drained soil. Regularly deadheading spent blooms will encourage new growth and maintain a tidy appearance throughout the season, ensuring that your display remains vibrant for as long as possible. Overall, mums are a versatile and vibrant option for fall decorations, adding warmth and cheer to your autumn displays. I'm Eddie Smith, and I will see you next time on Southern Gardening.